Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a OnePlus Nord CE 3 Lite, and let me share with you how to reset network preferences on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings, and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find additional settings. Scroll down again, tap on Backup and Reset, and pick Reset Phone. As you can see at the top we've got the option we're looking for, so let's tap on it, and here your device will ask you to confirm it. So let's tap on Reset Network Settings, and as you can see the network settings have been reset successfully, so your device reset the Wi-Fi, mobile data and Bluetooth. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.